Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you're well. This week marks UK Barbecue Week, and to participate I'll be starting a series of videos on how to barbecue. In this series I'll be showing you how to become a grill master. We share techniques detailing how to make the most succulent and juicy chicken, grill the perfect steak, make flavorsome chicken wings, awesome smash burgers and Seekh kebabs better than any restaurant. And today we're starting with the basics, how to light charcoal for your barbecue. So let's get started. The first stage is to fill a chimney starter. Next, place a natural firelighter at the bottom of the chimney starter and light the firelighter. Now place the chimney starter directly above the firelighter. The firelighter will ignite the charcoal at the bottom and the air will flow through the chimney, igniting the column of charcoal. The whole process takes around 20 minutes and there's no need for toxic lighter fluids or fans. Just let the chimney do the work for you. As the charcoal starts to light, you will see flames coming out the top of the chimney starter. Once you see the flames, you know that the charcoal is ready to be dumped into your barbecue. Simply pour the lit charcoal onto the grill and you're ready to start cooking. And that's it. You know how to light charcoal for your barbecue grill using the chimney starter. Stay tuned for the rest of my series where we'll be showing you some other awesome techniques.